Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be doing a quick review of Manyreach AI. Now Manyreach AI claims to be the only truly unlimited cold emailing platform. No monthly bills, fair pay as you go pricing. It lets you connect unlimited mailboxes to send cold emails to unlimited contacts and add unlimited team members under unlimited workspaces. So let's start with the review. Manyreach AI is a cold email outreach platform designed to help businesses scale their lead generation efforts. A major pro is its focus on unlimited features, such as unlimited email accounts, contacts, and team members, often under a pay-as-you-go or credit-based model, which can be cost-effective, especially for high-volume users or agencies. It also emphasizes deliverability with features like email warm-up and sender rotation, and offers user useful automation and personalization tools, including AI capabilities for tasks like segmentation and email copy generation. The unified inbox is another plus for managing responses efficiently. However, a potential con some users have noted is that the user interface could be more modern or intuitive compared to some competitors. There has also been occasional reports of issues with the email warm-up process and customer support responsiveness. Despite some areas for improvement, Manyreach AI provides a powerful and scalable solution for cold email outreach, particularly for those who can leverage its unlimited features and prioritize deliverability. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try today.